Hi there, I'm glad to see you on my channel, and today I would like to share with you my new pattern. It is very easy to make project. For this one I will use seed beads, 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Let's crochet, make a chain, continue, make a chain for transition from the one row to another one. I will not use it. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet. Continue draw seed beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. I count 3 seed beads. Then I turn the work. You should turn the work in one direction always. Like this. Insert the hook into the top of the stitch. Make single crochet with 3 seed beads. Then turn the work. In this way, count 3 beads. Insert the hook into the stitch. Take the working yarn behind the beads. Make single crochet. Draw 3 seed beads, turn the work, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, take the working yarn, pull it through. Make single crochet. Continue, count 3 seed beads, turn the work, insert the hook into the stitch, take the working yarn, pull it through, make single crochet. Let's repeat one more time. It is very easy to make, as you can see. Draw 3 seed beads, turn the work, insert the hook into the top of the previous stitch. Let's repeat. Turn the work in one direction, like this. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through, make single crochet. I have got cute ribbon. The look of the ribbon depends on your beads and the yarn. And now I show you the ready ribbon. Here how it looks. I remove my current project. Let's look at the ready one. You should repeat as many times as you need to create your project. It could be perfect to create belt, bracelet, or it could be like an edging. Now I show you how to make the spiral. I turn a little bit my ribbon, and now here how it looks. As you can see in this example, I used 3 seed beads, and next time I will show you how to make ribbon with 5 seed beads. And let's look at this example. In this case, I used 5 seed beads. I take dark seed beads and dark color of yarn. In this case, I took 5 seed beads. You can take any amount of seed beads, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, and you will get amazing project. I turn my ribbon so you can see how it looks in the shape of the spiral. It is very interesting project because you can use it in everywhere. Also could be perfect decoration for your home. And now I show you how to crochet the ribbon with 5 seed beads. Now I continue working on my ribbon. In the previous time I showed you how to crochet chain spaces with 3 seed beads, and now I'm working with 5 seed beads. Now I'm going to work in the same way as I showed before. Count 5 seed beads. I draw them. Turn the work in this direction. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through, and pull through 2 loops to complete single crochet. I turn the work in one direction always. I draw 5 seed beads, 3 and 2. Turn the work. Now insert the hook into the stitch, grab the yarn. I hold all loops with my finger and pull through 2 loops. Here how it looks. Draw 5 seed beads. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the single crochet. You see? And I make single crochet. You can experiment. You can experiment and take 6 seed beads, 7 and more. Draw 5 seed beads. I remind you, this depends on your project and what you would like to get at the end. Insert the hook into the stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through, and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have at this point, I stop. Here you can see. Please don't be afraid to experiment and use more or less amount of seed beads and you will get amazing project. For this one I use blue color of yarn and beads. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how they look like. In the first case I used 3 seed beads to create chain space. And in the second one I took 5 seed beads to create my ribbon. It is very easy to make, so it could be perfect to create bracelet, necklace or belt. Even earring could be made using this pattern. Please don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. If you don't like beads, you can visit my YouTube channel and find something new for yourself without seed beads. I have a lot of projects and patterns without seed beads. Link could be found in the description below the video. See you in the next video tutorials. It was Elena Rugal. Thank you so much for watching. Good luck in crocheting. Bye!